Introducing our Hangover Garden Bar range, a bar where happiness isn't just for an hour. Count us in. Now, don't let the name fool you. We were fully sober when creating our range, so you know it has that Dunster House seal of approval. The timber of our garden bars uses slow-grown spruce and not cheap pine, all pressure treated as standard with a 10-year guarantee. This provides you with a more durable, dense garden bar with the less knots, sap and moisture. All of our Dunster House garden buildings are built to last. Of course, we love the crafts. Our Hangover garden bars are built with 15mm thick pressure-treated shiplap walls, instead of cheaper 6.5mm feather board, which is weaker, unsightly and commonly sold by our competitors. We wanted to give you peace of mind when purchasing a Hangover bar. Our secure hasp and clasp is included as standard. Its design ensures the locking system cannot be tampered with from the outside once locked, perfect for keeping all your goods safe and secure. 3 big cheers for Dunster. Not only are our Hangover bars constructed in an easy-to-build DIY panel system, they can be constructed within a day. The wood polymer composite roof is easy to clean and to maintain, unlike traditional felt which will wear far sooner. The slate roof effect creates a stylish roof that gives your garden shed a sleek, modern finish. The flooring is made up of 10mm MFP flooring, so it is much more resilient than using cheap OSB. MFP is durable and stable as well as moisture resistant, perfect for when the beer jumps out of your glass. The 2 removable hatches can easily be removed, creating the open effect of the garden bar. Conveniently placed handles are placed on the inside of the hatches, made for easy removal. You may be thinking, planning permission for a garden bar? Surely not, and you'd be absolutely right. Our garden bars are under 2.5 metres high, meaning that you can place the bar to as close as the boundary without planning permission. But if you are still unsure, it's always best to check with your local planning authority. Why settle for second best when you can have a Dunster?